Futuristic Socius. Hello everyone, in this presentation I will explain how mirrors are made, how the silvering process works, and how their chemical structure gives them property like reflection, transparency, and durability. Let's get started.
Glass is the primary component in most mirrors that is mostly composed by silica, which is SiO2. Silica is a chemical compound with unique properties. It is chemically stable, meaning it is resistant to most chemical reactions. Although it is not really affected by acid and base, prolonged exposure to strong alkalis or hydrofluoric acid can damage the glass surface.
Now let us continue with the metal coatings used for mirror. First we have aluminum. Aluminum is commonly used for mirror coatings because it is lightweight and reflects visible light well. However, aluminum reacts easily with acids and alkalis, which can cause corrosion and reduce its reflectivity. Second, we have silver. Silver is used in high-quality mirrors because it has very high reflectivity across visible and infrared light. However, silver slowly deteriorates when exposed to air or certain gases, which reduce its reflective ability over time.
Now, of course, to protect the metal layer, mirror use protective coatings. A clear coat made from polyurethane, acrylic, or epoxy forms a transparent layer that prevents corrosion and oxidation by blocking contact with the environment. Another option is a dielectric coat, which uses layers of materials like silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide. This coating improves reflectivity by reducing light loss and also protects the mirror from environmental damage.
The reflective layer is created through a chemical reaction called silvering. First, silver nitrate is mixed with ammonia and a base to form a silver complex solution called AgNH32+. Next, a reducing agent such as glucose is added. The reducing agent converts silver ions Ag+ into solid metallic silver Ag0. The silver then deposits as a thin reflective layer on the glass surface.
Then the reflective property of mirrors comes from metals like silver or aluminum, which have free electrons in their metallic structure. These electrons reflect incoming light waves. The glass part of the mirror is mainly silicon dioxide, which forms a strong covalent network structure. This structure allows light to pass through the glass and also make it hard and durable. As a result, mirrors are transparent at the front but strong and long-lasting.
Mirrors nowadays are being mass-produced due to most technology provided. For instance, one of our group members here, he used mirrored sunglasses. Have a thin metal layer on the outside of the lens. This layer reflects some sunlight away from your eyes. Because of this, less light enters the glasses, which helps reduce glare and makes it easier to see in the bright sunlight. Alright, let's continue. As you can see, we have periscopes. It influences the work of mirrors. This device is mainly used in submarines, an optical device to see or to observe the obstacle beyond the sea level that cannot be seen in direct line of sight. In this case, most people modify their periscope to be able to rotate 360 degrees, meaning it can observe surroundings fully. So now let us figure out how the periscope works. So there will be two mirrors parallel to each other in a 45-degree angle. So from here, we can see the eye is going to be seen here. So the lights will be reflected to this mirror, which will then reflect to this mirror, which will then be reflected to the eye. So it will be something like this. Letting the eye from below the sea level to be able to see the surroundings above the sea level. Yes, so that is all for our explanation regarding the use of digital technologies in mirrors. Justus von Liebig lahir pada tanggal 12 Mei 1803. Beliau merupakan tokoh revolusionis yang telah menciptakan cermin. ia mendapatkan edukasi yang layak seperti di Universitas Bonn, dan karena itu terbentuklah prestasinya yang amat besar. Berkat penemuan cerminnya, kini banyak alat-alat yang menggunakan cermin.